If you're running any sort of customer-facing hospitality or a beverage-style business and you're giving your customers access to your Wi-Fi, it's a missed opportunity not to capture the data from those customers. All those people who are coming in, you don't know who they are, you don't know how often they're coming in. If you could capture that data, if you could give them a social login in exchange for Wi-Fi, most people are used to seeing this, it's very commonplace, but in return, you're capturing their email address. You're also capturing their consent for GDPR to be able to market to them. If you just give us a call, tell us what access points you're using, we'll let you know whether those are suitable. If not, we'll send you an access point or we'll come and install an access point. We'll set the system up. You can set your own branded login page, so you can have your own background picture, your own logo on there. You can see who your top visitors are, the people that are visiting your establishment regularly. You can see how many visitors per day you're getting, and that's all fully GDPR compliant. Building up a database of who all your customers are is really important from a marketing perspective, because you know the people who've been in your premises, who've purchased from you, and it allows you to then market other offers that you've got available or other specials that you've got that they may not know about. Jump onto our website, either fill in the contact form or just give us a ring. We can talk you through the benefits and how it would help your business.